Okay, so the first canning mistake you can make is making up your own canning recipes. This is especially true when you're first starting out. When you're first starting out, I recommend 2 books. The first book is this USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning. It is a great reference book. You can actually get all the material online, but I like having the physical book on hand because you can check and how much processing time, whether you should hot pack or cold pack, and so on. The second book is the Ball Complete Book of Home Preserving. This was actually the first canning book that I ever bought, and it really helped me out a lot because it has a ton of great information. So the main idea is to start off with tested recipes. Again, especially if you're new, you simply don't know what you don't know. And you can't just think, oh, I have this favorite, chicken pot pie recipe. I'm going to just make the filling for it and can it. Interestingly enough, you can chicken pot pie filling, but there's a proper way to do it. So again, don't just look at your, let's say, all recipes or your grandma's, chicken pot pie filling recipe or something that you've always done and just think, oh, I'll just make that and I'll can that because my family loves it. Don't do that. Start off with safe tested recipes. Okay, especially when you're brand new and when you simply don't know what you don't know. And that was me when I started. I did some things that were unsafe simply because I just didn't know.